Friends, good morning all of my subscribers. Today my blog related to Buland Darwaza. In the high gate or the door of victory was built in 1575 Mughal Emperor Akbar to complete his victory over Gujarat. It was the main entrance to the Jama Masjid at Fatehpur Sikri, which is 43 km from Agra, India. Buland Darwaza is the highest gateway in the world and is an example of Mughal architecture. It displays sophistications of heights of technology in Akbar Empire. Architecture: the Buland Darwaza is the made of red and half bulb sandstone, decorated by the white and black marble, and the higher than the Courtyard and Moscow. And the Buland Darwaza is the semicircles and topped by large freestanding kiosks, which are the chastries. It was the trace edge Kelly causes on the roof, stylish bulkhead, battlements, small minar, spicers, and inlay walk with white and black marble. On the outside, a long flight in the steps leads down the hill, having the gateway additional height. It is 40 meters height and 51 meters from the ground. The total height of the structures is about 55 meters from the ground level. It is the 15 stories high gateway acting the south entrance of the city of Fatehpur Sikri. Is the approach of the gate consists of 42 steps. It is a semi-occultation plan with two similar striped stout wings and weather side. It was the kiosks in top, surrounded by 13 similar demi kiosks. There are similar to the kiosks and gateway. Is the expanse is broken by arched niches, small laudas and marbles with the highlights in the courtyard. In Jama Masjid, the principal architect stand on the center of projection site and taped by Tom. The central edge is broken into three tiers with the rows and the smaller arches and flat backs. The great gate itself is the plan three horizontal panels of buff stone notable of the Badshahi Darwaza are also present here. The plan and sandstone sapphires and framed and white marble with the flower-like omelette in the white marble at the apex on arch and flattish restaurant. Canted with the narrow panel about the other side in caps, organic, large and bullet in the fact to bite, smell and the declate when seen from below. Integrate down below and the sapping of the each entrance is what they are broken from the left hand and side and the 8 from the right. The wedge has 3 actual openings painted on the decorative panels and superposed by 3 there are arched openings carved in the semi-dome. The total height the gate above the is 176 feet. And the person inspection the eastern gateway and Buland Darwaza record Akbar considered Uttar Pradesh and victory and Gujarat in 1973. On the gateway in Islamic inspirations of writing the personal wrote in Jesus and son the Maryam Mary to world and preach pause over the bleed in the house opened is one household day and may be electing the world indoors spend hour spent in the prayer of the rust and unseen. It was advising to the flowers not be considered of the world permanent home and hope the worldly things and human life in short duration verse from the Quran have been carved in Naqsh script along the top. These were trained in the Khwaja Hussain Chishti is the design of Sheikh Salim Chishti. Buland Darwaza was not part of the original design in Jama Masjid. It was erected by Akbar celebrate his conquests in Gujarat in 1573. At the place India, famous superstar Shah Rukh Khan's film Pardesh has been shot in which actress Mahima Chaudhary is under lead role. Many other movies has been shot here and people flock here daily have come to see this place. If you want come here, you first of all come Agra and Agra to distance Fatehpur Sikri 43 kilometers. No ticket price here and timing in morning 5 a.m. in last time and 10 p.m. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.